Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Travelers Mantra. I hope everybody doing great and keeping safe. So I'm so excited today because I'm going to buy a cycle. I've been looking for that and since last 6 months, and I have decided to go with Decathlon Mountain Rider ST 100 or 120. So I'm so excited. I'm going to the Decathlon and I'm going to share which one I'm going to take it up. So let's go and stay tuned. शायद साइकिल का सब कुछ उधर ही है, तो बहुत भीड़ भी है। संडे है ना, संडे और छुट्टी बच्चों को, मैं सोचा इसीलिए फ्राइडे को ऐसे जितना ज़्यादा तामझाम होगा शायद इधर ही होगा ना। यही वाला ST 100 है, ये ST 100 है ना।
ये भी अच्छा 21 ईयर्स का ये।
हाँ
21 ईयर्स का ये।
हाँ,
लाइट
तो अराउंड 15 किलो ऐसे होता है। ये स्मॉल है। This is a Mountain Rider 120. It has disc brakes front and back, and this costing arose 28,000. Our team has developed 27.5 mountain bike with mechanical disc brakes. चला क्या? ये ना शायद मुझे लग रहा है ये 113, ये 1 और 3 में ठीक से चल रहा है, 4-5 में थोड़ा सा स्पीड चल रहा है। ये 3 में रखने के बाद 3 एंड 3-5 थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब तो प्रॉपर ठीक लग रहा है। क्या लग रहा है?
क्यों लग रहा है कि ये ऐसा तक घूम रहा है?
हाँ, क्योंकि ये डेमो वाला है ना।
Finally, I decided to go with Rock Rider ST 100, and this is a cycle which you will get it like a skeleton. So you need to buy all the accessories whichever you are looking for. So I'm going to the fitting station, so they'll fit the my cycle whenever my turn will comes up. Here you can see these are the 14 checkpoints what exactly the fitting station people can do. They will check all this stuff. This is the skeleton, you will get it when you are buying new cycle.
ये MTV मडगार्ड है। एक रॉक राइडर हेलमेट। भी हेवी है। ये बहुत हेवी है, इसलिए हेवी हो जाते हैं गाइस। Finally I got my cycle. Hmm.
3 into 7 gears. Left side 3, right side 7. You have 1 and 1, 2, 3 for climbing purpose. 2, 3, 4, 5 flat road. 3, 5, 6, 7 down. Okay, when you pedaling, that time you should the gear properly. Without pedaling, don't shoot the gates.
Without pedaling,
Don't shoot the gates.
Okay.
When you pedaling time, you shoot the gear properly.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
See, I'll just show you, sir.
Okay. Just stand. There is a stand. Okay.
First, sir, let's open the brakes.
Okay. So first you need to open the brakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then quick left.
Okay. Okay, unscrew.
And screw. That's it.
That's it. Okay. No. The wheel was open.
Now, this is so important.
Okay.
The screws.
So which side is this? Okay, this one is the left side.
Yeah, you'll get to know. That's the side.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
The left side always should be the screw.
Okay.
The tighten.
Okay.
And right side will be tighten. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine.
Left side will be locking.
Okay.
Right side will be tighten.
Okay.
That's it. And this one.
Wheel front and back, how we can come snow? Any time? I mean any.
Here only you'll get to know.
Okay.
The The mark will be there.
Okay, front and back. Okay. Okay. Now, one person help me. One second, slowly. Remove it. Now I'm going to setting up my tire for my bicycle. Let's see how it's going to be. As I got the instructions, I need to make it like this. Unscrew this. Oh. So remove this. Take this screw. Just lock it, and you need to lock the brake. So just
This is how the cycle looking like after fitting the tire. So it is easy to remove and easy to fix it out, and the brakes also you can easily fix it out. Whenever you are removing the tire, before that you can remove the brakes, and you can do the fitting and all. Yeah, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.